How's doing everybody? In today's session, we have started a new Python series where we are going to first learn all the basic concepts. And then gradually we're going to move to further advanced Python topics. So in today's session, we're going to learn basic Python numbers and how to use Python numbers to do basic mathematical calculations. So let's start. So I have started my Jupyter notebook. So I have also recommend to use your Jupyter notebook instead of other. You can use other tools also, but Jupyter is very easy to use. So I can recommend to use Jupyter first. So after opening the Jupyter, just go to new and open your Python 3, and new file will be open to the next tab. And let's start renaming it first. So I am renaming it as 00 Python. So it's today's session going to be in Python numbers. So I'm numbering. I'm just mentioning as a Python number. Okay, so we are going to deal with the basic calculations in a Python. So I'm just assigning variables to some values like a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So I have assigned 5 to a and 3 is equal to b. So let's check first. So a print to check to cross check only what's the value reside into the a and b. So it's a 5 3, it's a correct. So let's start first basic addition. First let me do addition. I'm using a markdown to for highlighting. It's a good practice to use your like markdown to show the what you are doing. So let me do a plus b first. So it should be 8. Yeah, correct. So a and let me do a plus a. It should be 15. Yeah, correct. If you want a plus b plus a, and then you want to minus b, let's see what going to happen. It's correct. Yeah, 10. So it's like basic mathematics part, like how to do addition. You can use multiple values. So if you want like different addition values, you can assign variables, or like you can use direct values. We can use direct value also, like 2 plus 3 plus 5. It should be 10. Yeah. So you can use direct values also, or you can assign your numbers to the some text meaning it's a string. You can say it's a string, so you can assign your value to string. Like I can mention num is equal to 5 and num1 is equal to 5, and then num. So I have assigned a value to strings. So now one, it should be 10. Yeah. So you can assign your numbers to as per your use case. So now do the subtraction part. Subtraction. Subtraction part. So let me minus a minus b. So it should be 2. Yeah. So uh, I'm moving to multiplication. So multiplication. Sorry, multiplication. So I'm doing a into b. We can do a into a also. So you have to use for multiplication asterisk. You can use asterisk. Let me move it to divide part. To divide di divide. So a divided by b, which should be 1.5 divided by 3. So it should be 1.66666. So this is all the basic calculations in the with the numbers. So suppose if you want a remainder, how you can get the remainders? Let's check a remainder part. So a divided by for remainder you have to use modulo, correct. So modulo, so it should be a percent b, sorry, a percent b. So it should be 2. So giving us a remainder part. So let's check another 8 divided by 8 divided, sorry, 8 modulo 3. So it should be, what should be the remainder? It should be 2. Yeah. So it's giving us a reminder. Or to get the divide part, you can use a direct slash, forward slash. And now we say power. Like if we want to power raise to the power any, like it's mostly in mathematics we use a bracket to, like bracket to power 3. So it's not work in the same in the Python. We have to use a double asterisk. So suppose 2 key power 2 should be 4. So okay, double asterisk into, it's a 4. So it's a 2 key 2 key power 4. And the, like suppose if we want a cube, sorry, 3 key power 3. So it double asterisk 3, so 27. Okay, 4 into 4 key power 4, it should be 64. Oh sorry, 4 key power 4 is a 256. And now let's see the board mass part. So how board mass work. So suppose if I am doing 2 plus 10 into 10 plus 5, according to the board mass, what should be the answer? I think it should be 107. But in case we don't want to, like default multiplication like Python doing as a board mass, so we have to use a bracket. So suppose the same calculation we can do. So suppose if we want to add 2 plus 10, so we have to use a bracket 2 plus 10. Oh sorry, bracket 2 plus 10 after bracket into, and we want to multiply it the next part. So bracket 10 plus 5. So then it will give you the result as per the we want. So if we don't want to calculate as per the board mass, then we have to use a bracket. So this is like very basic part we can do. I hope we got the basic understanding of number calculation in Python. Next we will going to run a variable assignment. So we're going to meet to the next video. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends on a Facebook or any other medium. Okay, bye bye.